fourth standard students, some students have query in this page number 144. So again I am explaining. See here, 3 pieces of this weights. Now you can see 6 kg, 6 and 2 kg of piece we are putting here. So left weight is 4 kg. So 4 kg firewood. This 3 kg. So 5 kg minus 2 kg. So left weight is 3 kg. So easily firewood this. Now in the last is 7 kg of firewood. So total 7 kg we have to put. So you can see here 5 kg and 2 kg. We are having the weight. So we will put weight and then firewood we can weigh. Okay. Now post office. Read. Have you ever been to a post office? So see, if you have not seen, so please go and see. What different things do people go there for? To post the letter, to receive anything, courier or parcel or document or then application for job purpose. How much does a postcard cost? You go visit the post office and then search the postcard cost. How much does an inland letter cost? See what is inland letter. I will also explain. I will send one example definitely. But you should visit, because now WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, phone calls, courier, so it's easy. Okay, but post office and post box and letters, inland letters, they have value. Now postal rates. You can see here what is written here. You will read India Post, postal rates, postal items, postal rates. Single postcard 50 paisa, printed postcard 6 rupees, inland letter 2 rupees 50 paisa, letter weighing 20 grams or less 5 rupees. For every additional 20 grams 2 rupees. Rakhi we post, and then in army, if later family members they want to post the letter, they send. So different uses of post office also. Parcel weighing 50 grams or less 5 rupees. For every additional 50 grams 3 rupees. Okay. Now look at the postal rates given in the chart. Already we have seen. How much will you have to pay for stamps on a letter weighing 50 grams? So you will see here and you will fill. Akash wants to send a parcel of Math Magic textbook to his friend Rani in Chennai. The book weighs 200 grams. See the chart to find the cost of posting the book. Now see here, Akash wants to send the parcel. Math Magic, the weight of 200 gram. The book's weight. Now parcel weighing 50 grams or less 5 rupees. So for 50 grams 5 rupees. Additional 50 grams. So additional 50 grams we know the rupees 5. So left 150 gram. Additional charges. So for additional charges 5 3s are 15. So total 15 plus 5 20 rupees will be the charge. See the chart to find the cost of posting the book. Okay. Now turn the page, read the weight shown in the picture, find out the cost of sending parcel of that weight. So tickets you can see here the cost of, then you will choose, read the questions carefully, then apply. Parcel weight 200 gram. Cost of stamps you will write here. Okay, now how many stamps? Rahul needs stamps of rupees 25 for his parcel. He went to the post office. Only stamps of rupees 1, 2, rupees 5 and rupees 10 were there at the time. Using those stamps, in how many different ways can he make rupees 25? So 25 tickets he can paste. So it will like hodgepodge the envelope. So different ways you will decide. 5 tickets 5 rupees, or otherwise he can use 2 tickets of 10 rupees 20 and 1 ticket is 5. So different ways you will send on my personal WhatsApp number. I will wait, then only I will give you solution. You should do hard work for this, and it's easy. Different ways you have to choose only. Can you show the 5 different ways? What is the heaviest parcel he can send using stamps of rupees 25? This also you will do and write the answer. On my personal WhatsApp number you will send. A frog was struggling to escape from the mouth of crow. The crow caged the frog. Now frog was thinking how I will escape from the mouth of crow. So he was thinking, and he suddenly got an idea. Then what he has done? How can I escape? The frog thought. Suddenly a trick came to his mind. He asked the crow, "Are you good at arithmetic? That means in maths? If yes, then I will ask you a problem." Frog is telling to crow. Then what happened? Your weight is 650 gram and I am only 145 gram. How much do we weigh together? This question is asking by frog to crow. The crow was good at mathematics, so he happily opened his beak to answer. Then what happened after that? As he opened his mouth or beak, frog escaped, and the crow was not got the frog again, because the frog is minded. Okay, now see here what happened after that. I explained. Frog saved his life. So what was the answer the crow wanted to give? The answer is 650 plus 145 gram. So 600, 700. And then 50 and 45, 95. So 795, approximately 800 gram. He wanted to reply this answer. But before that, frog ran away and he saved his life. Okay, bye bye.